How to sync iPhone contacts. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings and just search here directly contacts. Now under contacts here, what I want you to do next is, as you can see here, your iCloud is connected through your phone. All information are connected to your iCloud. Same with contacts here. As you can see, I have toggled it on. So meaning, for example, I want to have an access to my contacts while using my iPad or my MacBook, then all you have to do is to open your iCloud account to those devices, and if you've actually toggled on and sync your iPhone contacts, then you can see your contacts through your MacBooks or your iPads anywhere. So tap on here contacts. If you actually toggle that off, that means you have actually unsynced your contacts. Since we want to sync it, then keep it toggled on. And basically, that is how you sync iPhone contacts. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.